What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode. Today we're talking about Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Plugs. There it is. Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm doing a review of the Bigfoot Bushcraft Fire Plugs. This company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do an honest review and tell them what I thought about it. And I'll tell you what I like about it right away. Made in Colorado. That's already starting to sway my opinion, you know what I mean? However, this product claims to be 100% waterproof, 100% windproof, and has a 5-minute burn time. So today we're gonna put this to the test, guys. So let me show you what they sent me, and this is the bag. I just pulled this out of here. Comes with a little metal tin. That's aluminum, I believe, with a nice Bigfoot Bushcraft logo on there. I gotta say, I'm a fan of Bigfoot. I'm a fan of this made in Colorado. That's 2 pluses already. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh this little tin as we go. Let's turn that sucker on. We go for ounces. And weighing in at 1 ounce, basically. That's not bad. I like that already. It's ultra light. Also in there is this felt bag. Comes with a ferro rod and striker. Looks like the striker has some extra tools on there. It'd be obviously for a beer opener, but it looks like also a hex head would fit in that. And I believe that would be for the ferro. I don't know, what would that be? Whatever. A little ruler on there. It also has a piece of paracord on there, guys. You know, pretty good for a survival situation. You can just tell that this is a quality item. It definitely has some weight to it. Has a nice pine wood handle on there, and nice stamp there, Bigfoot Bushcraft. It's very nice, but I am so curious about the weight of this. Let's go ahead and throw that on the scale. We'll go for ounces again, weighing in at 3.5. So let's see what we got here. 4.6, and the fire plugs. Could throw that on there. Weighing in, so the full setup, I guess. Oh, hey, we got something else in there. Okay, we got a card, Bigfoot Bushcraft. See what's out there. Looks like it comes with an extra striker and paracord. So nice little bonus in there. Very nice, and it's packaged very well. You can tell they took their time with this, and it just seems like a quality product. So before even starting this, I kind of like this setup anyway. I can tell that it's just, I don't know, it just seems like a quality kind of setup. Weigh the whole thing. That's with the extra striker, guys, weighing in at 12.7 ounces. So under a pound, you got that whole thing. And I mean, you could easily shave weight. You know, there goes that. There's 11.9. You could take that paracord off of there and, you know, drop a couple more ounces or whatever. And also, you wouldn't be necessarily taking all 30 plugs, you know, just enough to fill this tin. So it would be less than that weight. And I don't know, that's not all that bad, but I really doubt these would even weigh an ounce. Yeah, nothing. Let's go to grams. Boom. And that's weighing in at 2.7 grams, guys. Not bad. I'm curious to how many of these will fit in the tin. So let's just go ahead and do that. Get that right out of the way. Boom. All right, 2. That ends that problem. Just kidding. Let's just see how many we can get in there. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13. There's 16, 17, 18, 19. If you stack them in there like that, I bet you could get a lot more than that. That's about 20 though, guys. That's about 20 in there. I'm not even taking my time here and stacking it well. That's a screw top lid, guys. That thing's not coming off. It's not gonna just open up in your backpack. I like that. And let's go ahead and weigh that tin. Boom. Wow. 2.7 ounces. Hey, that's not bad at all. And that's basically all you need, you know? So 2.7, you could light this with a lighter. Ferro rod's cool. I mean, if you know what you're doing, you bring it with you. The difference between having a fire, you know, drying your clothes or not, I don't really think that's all that bad as far as weight goes. And still plenty left, guys. This is, gosh, it doesn't have a number on the bag how much this was. I figured it was the smaller one. I'll dump that out and count those, but there's like 50 in there. Now that we have the contents of the bag out of the way, and we're familiar with the weight and how much this is, I guess we'll start getting into the test. Okay, so here we go. We got the plug. I would say that's exactly 1.5 inches to my eye. Step 1 says bend the plug in half back and forth to loosen the fibers. All right, not too bad. And a little stiff at first, but once you get going, it starts to crank. That seems pretty good. Fibers seem pretty loose. Step 2, rub the 2 halves against each other in a circular motion to break the plug apart. So I guess like that. Something like that. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay, that's the circular motion you want. I'm gonna really open that sucker up and expose those fibers. So basically what you got going on here, guys, that's just like a cotton, and I think it's a wax. It just feels like a wax in there. So I would say that that is ready to go. Now, supposedly, if you like this, it should burn for 5 minutes. Yeah, and you could really work this. You could really open this up, you know. I feel like there's a lot of life here in the ends, you know. I actually feel like you could probably cut little pieces off of this. Maybe get, you know, maybe double the amount of plugs that came in the bag, really. It seems like there's a lot there, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So I guess we should start with the waterproof test. Really doused it with water. I don't think that, I mean, if that was in your backpack in that aluminum can, it would never get as wet as I just did it right now. I mean, if you were in a torrential downpour and you were trying to get a fire going for whatever reason you were doing that, maybe this would be the same effect, but I really loaded this plug up with water. So let's see. I mean, it should be fully saturated. I'm just going to go ahead and do it with a lighter now just to get this one going. But here's the test, guys. Boom. Lit right up. Took no time at all. I don't know, guys. Soaking wet. Wait. Okay. Wait a minute. It went out. It went out. But it started going. It was like drying. I'll try to give it another light here. That lit right up. I mean, that took nothing at all. Just a flick of the lighter. I don't know, guys. Soaking wet. It looks like it's lit to me. If I had kindling, it would obviously start. I mean, it would obviously start a fire going. I don't know, guys. I think it's passing the waterproof test. Really, it's still going. Still burning strong, guys. I don't know. It is wet. It is crackling. You know, the wax water mixture is definitely crackling, but I mean, it is going. It is not going out. It's absolutely soaking wet. It says 100% waterproof. So, I mean, it is lighting. It's not ruined. I mean, this is soaking wet, guys. That's quality. This is quality. This is quality right here. Soaking wet. I mean, that's soaking wet. It's on fire. Is that not waterproof? I mean, if I had some leaves here, it would ignite, wouldn't it? Looks pretty good to me. Looks like we got a fire. That's kind of almost passing the waterproof test for me, guys. What do you think? That's soaking wet. I mean, come on. Have you ever seen anything soaking wet and on fire before? No. Kind of really staying together, guys. It's, oh yeah, you would absolutely. Look at that thing. So that is soaking wet, on fire. No problem. Absolutely no problem there. I think that's absolutely waterproof. You know, it took a couple lights. I don't think that fails any kind of waterproof test though. So far, Bigfoot Bushcraft fire plugs has passed the waterproof test. You don't believe me? Check it out. Still burning. Put some wet sticks in here, and I mean, we're good. That's fire. That's the waterproof test. Done. We're gonna go ahead and do the 5-minute burn time, guys. I got a timer set on my phone. Just lighting it with the lighter for now, just to speed along the process. But I do plan on trying out the ferro rod here, so start. Oh, we're getting there. I don't know. I was thinking it actually might last longer than 5 minutes, but so 4 minutes, 12 seconds. I don't know. I think that's close enough to 5 minutes. For a 4-minute burn time, I think I could have got a fire going by now. Honestly, I'm not too hurt about that one. It's still kind of fizzling. Nah, that's out. Well, there's actually a little bit of fiber still left there, guys. So, is that still burning? Could be. Maybe I backed out a little quick, but there is a little piece of fiber there. So, I don't know. I give it the 5 minutes, guys. I'm going to go ahead and get another plug out here and see if it passes the wind test. Windproof. Go. Boom. Did you see how fast that was? I'll give it a fair shot, and I'll let it get going a little bit here. Just kidding. Nothing. Alright, this time I will let it get burning before I blow it out. Nope, nothing. I don't know about this windproof thing, guys. So go ahead and spark them up. Boom. It's going. I mean, I don't know, guys. I kind of blew that out relatively easily. This thing is really easy to manage while on fire. Just gonna throw that out. Boom. Right? I'm blowing it out, guys. I don't think it's windproof. I mean, if you had it covered up, it'd be doing all right, but I don't know, guys. I'm not really blowing on that all that hard. It just kind of blows right out. See, we got light that sucker up. I'm gonna really light him up. All right, I'll give him a fair chance to like get going here, and then I'll try to burn it out. But it's doesn't seem to really be passing the windproof test. I got it going here pretty well. I don't know, wind resistant. It might not be windproof, but maybe that would have like wind resistance to it. But yeah, I don't know. Really curious about this ferro rod, guys. I'll give that a shot here. I think this is the circular motion. Well, maybe it's that twist. It would say twist. This is a circular motion. That's the circular motion. And that really exposes those fibers. So, anyway. Lit right up, guys. Overall, I do like this product. I think it went through the test rather well. You know, soaking wet, it lit right up. It's wind resistant. I think it's very wind resistant. And actually, like while I was even filming off camera, the wind kind of picked up. And there was one burning here, and it kind of went through the wind, you know? So I don't know. It seemed like if I gave it like a good gust of air, it would kind of put it out. But, you know, steady blowing on it steadily wouldn't just put it out. So I don't know. Maybe it is. Then, as well as the 5-minute burn time, I think I cut my clock short a little bit. You know, it's really just seconds, 4 minutes and 12 seconds opposed to the 5 minutes. But as I sat here, guys, it smoldered, and I was even able to pick it up, and you know, there was a piece of fiber still on there. I do believe it would have went that whole 5 minutes. The ferro rod worked excellent. Lit the plug right up. A couple flicks, you know, I'm not like 100% skilled with these, but I mean, I can get the job done. It takes me a couple times, but lit right up. Quality product. I will definitely be using this in the future. If you guys like this product, Bigfoot Bushcraft, you can go to bigfootbushcraft.com. Check them out on Facebook. They also have a YouTube channel. I think this is a quality product, and I plan on using these fire plugs in the future. I'll definitely be taking these with me on my Great Divide bikepacking trip this year, just in case. This is a great product, guys. I plan on using it on many trips to come. If you want to pick one up for yourself, you click on the link in the description. If you purchase it through me, I get a little bit of kickback from that sale, and that little kickback really helps out this channel. Really helps with the travels, the bus renovation, and bringing better video quality to the channel, guys. So, and I'm gonna get this fire going and enjoy the rest of the evening. So we'll see you down the road. Catch you on the trail.
I don't know, maybe it is. Seems like once it gets going, it seems to be burning maybe hotter, or burning a bit. Seems to be burning a bit better.